We are going to be unboxing the EZCAP portable HDMI 1080p 60 hertz recorder, and this does have its own TV screen in it. Left side and right side of the box says portable HDMI 1080 60 hertz recorder. Bottom of the box says standalone record 1080 60 frames per second HD video, supports snapshot during the recording, 3.5-inch screen for preview and playback with a built-in battery. This is the top of the box. Back of the box has the specifications and connections, all the resolutions from 720/480 60p all the way up to 1920 1080 60p. TF card, that's micro SD card. 128 gigabyte maximum. Video. MP4. 22 megabytes per second at 1080p and 60 frames per second. Max recording file is 3.8 gigs. DC charger, 5 volts, 2 amps. 3,000 milliamp hour battery, which is really nice, and the display is 3.5 inches. All right, let's open this thing up. This is the presentation after opening it up. This is what everything looks like still in their packaging. You get a quick start guide. You get a remote control. You get a USB regular to USB micro. You get also the recording device and this card right here. This is the top side of the device with the remote control. This is the back side of the device with the remote control. You do not get batteries with it. The back of the device says portable 1080p 60 hertz recorder, made in China. The device comes with a 16 gigabyte micro SD, and the side of the device that has the ports, we'll start off with the DC USB, which is a micro USB. You have a micro SD card slot, HDMI in, HDMI out, an audio in, headphones in, and on-off record and transfer. The top left button is mode, the top right button is record, the bottom left button is menu, and the bottom right button is a return button. And you got an arrow pad, up, down, left, right, and in the center is an OK button. And that's all, my brothers and sisters. Later.